Nature Jadd here, coming to you live from the chasm between Seal Rock and the next beach over. This legendary spot filled with basalt columns carved by the mighty Pacific Ocean has been forming through natural wave cracking since the time before yesterday and a million years before that. Now, legend has it that the chasm between Seal Rock is inhabited by the Seal Rock Crocodeal, which is like a crocodile, but it doesn't really know what its deal is. So, I don't want to tempt fate, but I've heard if you say the words Ally McSeal 3 times, then the crocodile might appear, but I don't believe in such nonsense, so let's give it a shot. Ally McSeal, Ally McSeal, Ally McSeal. Ah! No! Ah! It's killing me! Oh my God! Nature Jadd has died.